Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about activation of cells. So in the activation of cells, whenever a bacteria crosses the skin, this bacteria will first and foremost will enter the antigen presenting cells. Now this bacteria, which I am drawing in yellow, this has entered the antigen presenting cells. Once the bacteria has entered the antigen presenting cells, this is presented on MHC. Okay, this MHC will now recognize the T cell receptors. T cell receptors, with the help of their alpha and beta subunit, they will recognize the MHC, and also with the help of co-stimulatory CD28 receptor will also be recognized by in the antigen presenting cell. There is CD80 and CD86. So CD80 and CD86 in antigen presenting cell will recognize the CD28 and T cell and produce signal 2, whereas MHC will react with alpha and beta subunit of T cell receptor and produce signal 1. So both these will now activate the T cell. T cell is activated. So this activated T cell will now differentiates itself into T helper 1 cell, T helper 2 cell and T helper 7 cell if CD4 ligand is activated. If CD8 ligand is activated, then it results in C cytotoxic cell, which leads to the killing of cells. Now these T cells will now activate the B cell, okay, which will get converted to plasma cell, which will result in formation of immunoglobulins. IgG, Ig, A, E, M, D are formed. Okay, so we will learn about each of them in detail now. So first we will learn some important points about antigen presenting cells. Antigen presenting cells are actually two types. One, we have professional antigen presenting cells. Second, we have non-professional antigen presenting cells. In professional antigen presenting cells, we have B cells, macrophages, then dendritic cells will be present. Dendritic cells are again of two types. One, we have follicular dendritic cells. Second, we have interdigitating dendritic cells. These interdigitating dendritic cells are present in skin. So we have in the macrophages, we have macrophages and dendritic cells. Dendritic cells are professional antigen presenting cells, which are of two types, follicular and interdigitating dendritic cells. Interdigitating dendritic cells in skins are also called as Langerhans cells. Then we have non-professional dendritic cells, which are present in thymic epithelial cells, and we have endothelial cells and also the fibroblasts. Okay, now HIV, if you see, the virus HIV mainly resides in the follicular dendritic cells. HIV will reside in the follicular dendritic cells. Next, so this is about the antigen presenting cells and complete immunity. Thank you for watching.